Were you surprised?
Of course not. Nagjo-joke ka eh, di ba? Tawa na tayo.
Paano mo nalaman kung saan ako nakatira?
Sinamahan kasi ako ng mga little angels natin.
Andrea, may mga bisita ka, oh. O, kausapin ka rin itong mga bata.
Naku, nandito pala kayo. Na-surprise naman ako.
Sorry po, Tita Andrea. Kasi we needed a favor sana from you.
Ano yun?
Can you be friends, you and Tita Lucille? Yes, Tita Andrea. Kasi pareha naman kayong nice ni Tita Lucille. I think it's good if you can be friends. Can she be your maid of horror?
Not horror. Honor.
Sige, ganito ha. Mag-uusap muna kami ng Tita Lucille ninyo, ha? Doon muna kayo. Kayo na bahala dito.
Sige.
Okay.
Over there.
Dito muna tayo sa sala.
Okay.
Lucille, bakit kailangan mong pang dalihin ng mga bata dito? Ang dating kasi sa akin, ginagamit mo sila na parang bridge o tulay. Guilty ka ba talaga?
No, of course not. Aba, kayo nga dyan ni Jaime, you don't like me. Kasi sabi niya, hindi na daw ako pwedeng makialam sa wedding preparations ninyo.
Hindi ko alam na may ganung sinabi si Jaime sa'yo.
I really got hurt. I got deeply hurt. Kasi all I want to do naman is be of help eh.
So, bigla-bigla mo na lang gustong maging maid of honor ko?
Yes. Dahil I want to show you that my dedication and loyalty is sa'yo. Yung magiging bride ng best friend ko. And that means that kung ako ang magiging maid of honor mo, I am not here to replace you but to make sure that your wedding day will be perfect.
Wait! Nabilis kaming mainit! Ano?
Of honor ni Andrea? Yes. I think I'm the perfect choice to be the maid of honor dahil ako ang best friend ng groom and soon to be best friend of the bride.
Sandali lang ha, Lucilla. Kasi...
Wait. Inglisan ang gusto niyang labanan eh. Dumugo yung ilong mo, kayang-kaya ko to.
You know what, Lucille? If you actually think that you married a special treatment in, on, at my best friend's wedding, I'm sorry, darling, but you are insanely fantasizing. You have misapprehension of the real situation, coupled by the mutual relation, extinction, and pollution. What? Shut the front door.
Alam mo, ako na friend.
You may not be aware of this whole maid of honor thingy, but it is bestowed by the bride to the most deserving woman. And that woman must possess a good reputation and a long untainted relationship with the bride and must never, at any point in time, be a menacing threat to her and the relationship. Is that clear to you, darling?
Oh yeah, it's clear to me. Teka muna, taga-London ba kayo? Bakit may accent kayo? I mean, of course! We came from London.
What did you do in London?
To visit the Queen?
Ano, may angal?
Excuse mo, dadaan ako mo. Andrea, halika nga muna rito. Ilayo mo na muna ang mga bata rito bago madamay sa daktakan ng mga babaeng yan sila.
Kailangan kong awatin to.
Ay, hindi mo na maaawat yung mga yan. Gusto mo ba makita ng mga bata na nagsabunutan yung mga yan dito? Di ba hindi? Sige na, ako na bahala rito. Dito lang ako.
Excuse me? Kids, magbibihis lang ako saglit, ha? Mabilis lang. Tapos aalis tayo, ha?
Sabi ng bata ay maid of honor. Excuse me, oh my God, I'm the best